Hi there. Are you an author, speaker, business owner, or have a product? We will help illuminate your awesomeness with a whiteboard animation video. Your brand or idea might be complicated, but it doesn't have to be boring. We help businesses and organizations bring their message to life by transforming it into professional, engaging, and easy to understand whiteboard animations. We'll create a video that will grab your audience's attention, keep them watching longer, and move them to take action. Your message sticks after they've clicked away. We hit both sides of the brain by using images to show your story and powerful words to tell it. We are the leaders in quality, affordability, and will give your company a marketing video that has a signature look. So what are you waiting for? Contact us now and we'll get started on your video. Exclusively on Fiverr.